Today I am reviewing the MSI Cyborg 15.6-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are in the market for a high-performance portable computer that completely blurs the line between a hardcore gaming rig and a beastly creative workstation, then you are going to want to stick around. Today we are diving deep into a thorough review of a heavily customized, maxed-out powerhouse, the MSI Cyborg 15.6-inch gaming laptop. This specific variant is an absolute titan, packing an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card, the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 7240H processor, a massive 64 GB of RAM, and an incredibly unique 3 TB storage configuration. This storage layout includes a blistering fast 2 TB internal solid-state drive paired up with an innovative 1 TB docking station set. For anyone who refuses to compromise on speed, frame rates, or multitasking capability, this laptop represents a monumental leap forward. Let's break down exactly what makes this futuristic machine worth every single penny. The first thing that grabs your attention when booting up this machine is the spectacular 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. MSI has equipped this screen with an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, which completely changes the experience of playing fast-paced games or simply scrolling through complex creative timelines. Because it uses an IPS panel, you get remarkably wide viewing angles, crisp details, and rich color reproduction that brings modern, ray-traced games to life. Whether you are aiming for high frame rates in competitive shooters or tracking fine visual elements in video editing software, the fluid motion and sharp clarity ensure your eyes never suffer from ghosting or stuttering. Driving those stunning visuals is the next-generation NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. This GPU is built to deliver highly immersive visuals and incredibly fluid performance by utilizing advanced ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics pipeline processing. It allows you to play the latest AAA gaming titles with advanced lighting effects turned on, all while maintaining excellent frame rates. Beyond gaming, this graphics card provides immense hardware acceleration for video rendering, 3D modeling, and local AI development work, making it an incredibly versatile asset for digital creators. Under the hood, the raw computational heavy lifting is managed by the impressive Intel Core Ultra 7240H processor. This architecture is masterfully engineered to balance raw single-core speed with highly intelligent multi-core power efficiency. It provides instantaneous system responsiveness, smooth multitasking, and reliable, sustained performance under demanding application workloads. Paired alongside a staggering 64 GB of high-speed RAM, this system defies normal laptop limitations. You can comfortably leave dozens of heavy browser tabs open, stream your gameplay in high definition, and run professional suite applications simultaneously without noticing a single micro-stutter. When it comes to storage, this package offers a truly exceptional, next-level ecosystem. Internally, you get a premium 2 TB NVMe solid-state drive that ensures near-instant boot times, rapid file transfers, and lightning-fast game loading screens. However, what sets this specific bundle apart from standard retail configurations is the included bonus 7-in-1 docking station set. This expansion hub features an integrated 1 TB of extra storage, expanding your total digital real estate to a whopping 3 TB. The bundle also tosses in a 32 GB microSD card with an adapter, a Type-C data cable, a 3-in-1 charging cable, and a premium suede cleaning cloth. This makes it an all-in-one desktop replacement system, allowing you to instantly dock the laptop at your desk and connect to all your monitors and external storage drives with a single cable. Physically, the MSI Cyborg balances its incredible power with a highly functional, portable design profile. It measures roughly 14.15 by 9.66 inches with a thickness of under an inch, and it weighs in at an impressively manageable 4.29 pounds. This means you can easily slide it into a backpack and take your workspace or gaming lounge on the go. For connectivity, you are fully covered with modern Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth, alongside a robust physical port layout including a USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-A ports, a dedicated HDMI port for external displays, an audio combo jack, and a hardwired RJ45 Ethernet port for lag-free internet. It also comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to enterprise-grade security and advanced remote desktop features right out of the box. Rounding out the user experience are the premium everyday essentials that MSI got completely right. The laptop is equipped with a beautifully backlit keyboard that makes typing and gaming in dim or dark environments incredibly easy and visually striking. Above the display sits a built-in 720p HD webcam that provides clear, reliable video quality for online meetings, remote learning, or catching up with friends. Ultimately, this maxed-out MSI Cyborg configuration is a brilliant fusion of bleeding-edge processing power, colossal memory, and ultra-flexible storage options. It is an easy 5-star recommendation for anyone who wants a future-proof laptop that can conquer any game or professional task thrown its way.